Imagine starting a business today with nothing but a phone in your pocket. No fancy laptop, no startup capital, just a simple device and the power of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 AI side hustles you can launch right now, even if you've never made $1 online before. They aren't complicated strategies that require years of experience. They're simple methods that ordinary people are using to generate real income starting this week. Before we dive in, hit and like that subscribe button so I can share more content just like this. Here's something that might surprise you. The biggest barrier to making money online isn't technical skills or expensive equipment. It's simply knowing which opportunities actually work and taking that first step. Today I'm removing the barrier completely. Let's start with the first opportunity that's practically printing money for people who understand how to use it. Small businesses everywhere are drowning trying to keep up with content creation. They know they need social media posts, blog articles, and marketing copy to stay relevant, but they simply can't afford the expensive agencies that charge thousands of dollars per month. This creates a massive opportunity for you. With AI tools readily available on your phone, you can step into this gap and provide exactly what these businesses need. Using platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini as a writing assistant, you can create professional quality social media posts, blog articles, and marketing copies in minutes. And here's how simple this really is. You open your AI app, input a few details about the businesses and what they need, and within 30 seconds, you can have a polished content ready to deliver. Business owners get exactly what they need without the massive expenses, and you get paid for a service that take you mere minutes to complete. The transformations happen when you realize this isn't just about a quick gig. You can build this into a legitimate freelancing business using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or reaching out to businesses locally. Many content creators are charging $25 to $50 per piece of content. And when you create multiple pieces per hour, the math becomes very attractive. But there's even more scalable approaches. Instead of just doing client work, you can create your own content-based business. Start a niche business or a social media account where you consistently publish AI-generated content around topics you're interested in. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even your own products. So picture this scenario. If you commit to writing just 2 pieces of content daily for clients at $25 each, that's $1,500 per month of work you can do entirely from your phone and in your spare time. Some people are doing exactly this and scaling it into full-time incomes. Now let's talk about the second opportunity that's perfect for people who prefer to stay behind the camera. Faceless video content is absolutely exploding across platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You don't need to show your face anymore. You don't need expensive video equipment. And you don't need a professional studio setup. Here's what makes this so powerful. AI can write your scripts and suggest trending topics, and even help you plan your entire content calendar. Mobile apps like CapCut, NVIDIA, or similar editing tools allow you to create professional looking videos using stock footages, text overlays, and voiceovers that you can record right on your phone. The beauty of faceless content is the scalability. Once you establish a rhythm and understand what your audience wants, you can create multiple videos per day. These videos can generate income through platform monetization, affiliate marketing, and eventually brand sponsorships as your following grows. People running successful faceless channels are reporting monthly earnings in the thousands. Shit, some are reaching 5 figures of monthly income once they hit their stride. The key is consistency and understanding what content performs well in your chosen niche. What makes this even more attractive is that everything can be done from your phone. You're not tied to a desk or dependent on expensive equipment. You can create content during lunch breaks, while you're commuting, or whenever you have the spare time. The third opportunity might be the most exciting because it leads to true passive income. Digital product creation using AI has opened doors that simply didn't exist a few years ago. You can create templates, digital planners, ebooks, prompt libraries, or educational material using AI-assisted and mobile-friendly design tools like Canva. Here's where it gets really interesting. Unlike service-based work where you trade time for money, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly. You invest the time upfront to create something valuable, then list it on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own simple website. And the sales continue to come in for months or years down the line. Think about waking up to PayPal notifications from products you created weeks ago, all from the work you did on your phone. This isn't a fantasy. People are building sustainable passive income streams by identifying what their target audience needs and creating digital solutions using AI-powered tools. The marketplace handles most of the heavy lifting for you. They provide the traffic, the processing, the payments, and also help with customer service. Your job is simply creating valuable digital products that solve real problems for people. What's particularly powerful about this approach is how it compounds over the years. Each product you create adds to your passive income potential. Some creators have dozens of digital products generating sales simultaneously, creating income streams that continue working even when they're not actively creating new content. Alright, so let's recap. 3 AI-powered opportunities you can start today just with your phone. First, content creation services for businesses that need help with their marketing material. Second, faceless video channels that can generate ad revenue, affiliate income, and sponsorship deals. Third, digital product creation that builds passive income streams over time. You don't need a college degree for any of these. You don't need to be particularly tech savvy either.